Hi everyone, this is a review of the Anker USB, actually multiple USB product here. So you can see here we've got a USB-C, an iPhone, and micro USB. If you haven't already, press the like button down below and subscribe for more videos. I basically review a ton of products, laptops to cables to headphones, you name it. And if you haven't checked out my channel already, you can be able to watch those as well. So let's jump into it. Anker this makes a ton of products, and the good thing is they provide some tips on how you can extend your cable's longevity. This is a great little booklet. It says unplug the cable from the adapter when not in use, keep the cable as dry as possible, clean the surface of the lightning connector with soft cloth and 75% alcohol solution. Please unplug the cable from the adapter before cleaning. Okay, well that's great to know. If not many people are aware of it. So let's jump right into it. As you can see here, this product is a USB connector, okay? And the product name here is the PowerLine II. So it's a 3-in-1 cable charger. It's 3 feet long, okay? So in meters, it's about 0.9. So just keep that in mind. If you need something longer, may want to keep this in mind, but 3 feet usually works out for most people. The model number of this, I'm going to go ahead and post the link down below in the description if you'd like to purchase this on Amazon. I'm going to check out some other sites and see what's the cheapest out there, and I'll post it down below so you guys can check it out. But the model number is A8436, so just keep that in mind. This product, I mean, this is great because, the issue I have is I have so many cables all around my I mean, look at this. I got a cable here. I've got an HDMI. I mean, plus I've got a bunch of other cables there. It's just a ton of cables for my iPhone, my iPad, and then I've got an Android phone. And then also I have a MacBook that I need to charge utilizing USB-C. This one cable clarifies and solves it all, okay? So I don't recommend using this cable to charge your MacBook because the speeds aren't going to be the highest throughput. You may need a cable to do that specifically, but for 95% of people out there, this will suffice and this will do well. When you do get this product, you will see a micro USB right here. But what you do is just basically connect the one you want to use right through it. It has a little area right there, and it basically goes in, connects really easily, and you're off to the races. So as you can see here, I just went ahead and snapped the USB-C onto here, and it has this little movable plastic piece, which is great. You can move it down and making it fit or whatnot. It's very easy and intuitive. It snaps on and off, so it's very easy. You hear the snap when you're putting it on, when you're taking it off, and you can't forget what direction to put it in because it basically shows you right in there, okay? So it does have this little Velcro strap as well that comes in it, and it does fit any type of USB-C or micro USB configuration. So it's pretty intuitive, very easy to use. The cable is pretty strong in terms of the plastic. Is not as thin and flimsy as a lot of the Apple cables do come in. This is actually very secure and pretty thick from the usability of it. So, and that's about it, guys. Pretty straightforward. I like the product. I like using it. I think it's very helpful to have. And if you guys haven't already, this is helpful for you. Press the like button down below. Comment down below if you have used this product or any other Anker products. Love to hear your thoughts on it. And subscribe as always. And I'm going to post down a link down below in the the description segment of this video if you'd like to purchase this. Thanks.